Hi, in today's video tip, we're going to cover how to send secure encrypted emails using Reflection's encryption service. The reason that we use Reflection's encryption service is it has intelligence built into it. What that means for us is that if the user forgets that they're sending some information that legally or procedurally should be secured and encrypted, Reflection has some controls built in that can be configured for each different company that will look for sensitive information that would violate, say, HIPAA or FINRA, Massachusetts general law, California general law. It will scan the contents of the email and the attachments, looking for information that should not be sent over open communication. It's fairly simple to use. I'm going to demonstrate two ways that you can send encrypted emails. One, we're going to show the automated version where the email contains some sensitive information. The user has to do nothing except send the information, and Reflection's scanning capabilities will look for, find, and automatically encrypt the email going out. This works, we're demonstrating it with Outlook, but this works whether you're sending through Outlook or through the web. It doesn't really make a difference. So we're creating an email. We're going to generate just, this is a fictitious social security number. And once we have this put in, say we're sending some information to the insurance company. And by law, at least in Massachusetts, California, and numerous other states, this information has to travel encrypted, has to travel securely. Otherwise, you'll be in violation of several statutes. And again, there's FINRA, HIPAA, Massachusetts, California. So the user does nothing but fill in the information that they want to send, and the email goes out. So now let's move over and look at what the recipient would see when the email is received on their end. The information is not going to be visible to them until they log in with their own user-created password so that they can see what the information is. There's the email. It shows that they've received a secure message, who the message is from. They have to click the open message button, and they'll be prompted for their own password to be able to read the information. The email has traveled securely, encrypted, so any bad guys intercepting the email won't have access to any of the information. So now we're going to do another example. This time we're going to look at how we can send a secure encrypted email even if there's nothing inside the email that might trigger the encryption. We'll create another new email, put in the recipient, and this might be just some company information, not necessarily something that the scanning tools within Reflection would see needs to be protected, but it may be something that you just want to be protected on its journey. It's simply done by putting in the secure word here, which in our case is secure mail. As long as that appears in the subject line, anything that gets sent within this email is going to be sent encrypted. So it's simply just putting secure mail in the subject line and sending the email. Going back over to see what the recipient is going to see, it's the same end result for the recipient. They receive the email, nothing is visible in here, they need to log in with their own private credentials to be able to read the email. In the next video tip, we'll cover what the recipient sees and what their experience is when they receive an email, how to read the email, and how to respond securely with an encrypted email. Hope you enjoyed the tip, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.